Number 4, fruits for a healthy heart. The old saying goes, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Well, there's some truth to this, as eating just one apple a day can provide you with all the necessary nutrients needed for a healthy heart. Apples are rich in fiber, which helps to lower cholesterol levels, and they contain antioxidants that protect the heart from oxidative damage. But apples aren't the only fruit that's good for your heart. In fact, there are plenty of other fruits that can help keep your heart healthy too. So here are some of the best fruits for a healthy heart. Number 1, berries. Berries are some of the most nutrient-dense fruits on the planet for a reason. They're packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can help improve overall health and reduce inflammation in the body. This makes them a great choice for anyone looking to support their heart health. Studies have shown that consuming just one serving of berries per day can reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 13%. Some of the best berries for heart health include strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries. Number 2, citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, limes, and lemons are all highly astringent, which means they can help reduce inflammation in the body. This can help improve overall heart health by reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. The high vitamin C content in citrus fruits also helps to maintain healthy blood pressure levels, which is essential for a healthy heart. Number 3, pomegranate. Pomegranates are a rich source of antioxidants and have been shown to improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. This can help reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke, two of the leading causes of death in the United States. Drinking just 1-2 cup of pomegranate juice daily can provide you with all the necessary nutrients to keep your heart healthy. Number 4, avocado. While technically a fruit, avocados are often used in savory dishes and are a great source of healthy fats, fiber, and potassium. These nutrients can help lower cholesterol levels, improve blood flow, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Eating 1 avocado a day can provide you with all the necessary nutrients to keep your heart healthy. No. 5, grapes. Grapes are a good source of antioxidants and have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. This can help improve overall heart health by reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. The resveratrol in red grapes has also been shown to improve blood flow and lower blood pressure, both of which are important for maintaining a healthy heart. It's important to note that while these fruits are good for your heart, they shouldn't be the only thing you eat. A balanced diet full of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins is the best way to keep your heart healthy. Additionally, regular exercise and stress management are also important factors when it comes to maintaining good heart health. Do you find this video informative or helpful? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy.